Whenever I start a sewing project, often I discover that I forgot to buy thread to match the fabric. Or I thought I already had a spool of thread that would match, but it doesn't. So, sometimes I have to improvise. That's why I always keep these thread colors on hand. Black, navy blue, white, cream, tan, and light gray. These basic colors go surprisingly well with many fabrics. Some fabrics are easy to match, like this shirt. Either black or white would work. Maybe not gray though. The print is very small on this fabric. Navy blue thread would blend well into the dark blue background. But what about a fabric with bright colors, like this skirt? I don't have any orange thread handy, and I'm not going to run to the store to buy some. Besides, I don't need a whole spool for this upcycling project. Tan or white will work very well. The hem was sewn at the factory with white thread. Lots of thread colors would go with this Hawaiian print. Navy blue would blend into the background. So would black. White and cream go well with the many flowers. Tan is also a good choice. But the light gray doesn't go as well because the print has warm colors, which need a warm neutral color thread. This floral print was challenging at first. I don't have red or purple thread. Then I realized I could use black, or even navy blue. In this case, tan really didn't work. White and cream were much too light. The light gray was a big surprise. It complemented the fabric perfectly. And finally, I needed to pick a thread color for this upcycled top. The print is an adorable retro patchwork in multiple shades of blue. The best way to tell if a thread color will match your project is to unwind it and lay a thread across the fabric. I thought at first that navy blue would match this top, but it's much too dark. 3 other neutral colors would work with this busy print: white, cream, or light gray. Once again, light gray is the winner. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and share my videos.